Hello everyone, it's your dessert session of Cooking with Nichole, in between patients right now, and thought I would make a little treat, and so I'm using our Choc Zero chocolate chips that we have at the Wellness District. They are so good, so delicious, taste just like regular chocolate. I happen to use the white chocolate version this afternoon, but we also have dark chocolate and milk chocolate versions. They melt just like regular chocolate chips. But the wonderful thing about Choc Zero chocolate chips is that they are minimal in carbohydrates and sugars. So for a serving size, which is approximately 60 pieces according to the back of the bag here, there is only 7 grams of total carbohydrates, but get this, 6 grams of fiber. So net carb-wise, it's only 1 gram of net carbs for these chocolate chips, and about 1 gram of protein and 78 calories. So my husband's going to be coming home soon from work, and so I thought I'd make him a little treat. And so I took the Choc Zero chocolate chips and I melted them down in a glass bowl. Important that you use a glass bowl because ceramic fries the chocolate. It gets hard and doesn't cook well, or it gets hard and burns. And so I used a glass bowl and I melted it down into just the liquid chocolate. And then I spread it out on a baking sheet with on top of a Silpat. I used a Silpat. You could use like a parchment paper or wax paper if you want to do that. And then he loves pistachios, so I ground up or chopped up some pistachios, and I'm just going to sprinkle these on the top of the melted down Choc Zero. So, you know those almond barks or chocolate barks that you can get at Christmas time, usually flavored with peppermint or peppermint candies or pretzels or caramel, that kind of thing. I just did that for an everyday treat. The beauty of it is a serving of this is probably going to be only roughly a fourth of this pan here, and only going to be maybe 1 to 2 grams of carbohydrate. So if you're looking for that sweet treat and you want to have it be guilt-free, especially when we're at home, check out the Choc Zero chocolate chips. Super good. I can't wait to try it out myself once it hardens and cools down. All you had to do is just tap it and it all breaks up into different pieces. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Talk to you later.